Happy gardening, Dr. Evette here. Okay, today's project is this cute little turquoise green windmill. So I wanted to put a windmill in my garden because I want to know which way the wind is blowing, because I have leaves and dirt and a lot of different things, the pollen because of all of the pine trees and oak trees, and I want to know which direction the wind is blowing. But also, this is a cute little windmill that'll give the garden a little bit of decor and make it look really cute. So if this is something that you're interested in, keep watching. This is me doing it myself, DIY. Okay, starting with the directions. It just looks like it is a diagram type direction with number and letter labels. And it looks like I'm going to need my hammer, a wrench, and a drill. And it's just labeled by the different parts, A, B, C, or a number, 1 through 9. But this first part looks a little difficult because I can't tell what part is going where and how it's screwed in. So I'm just going to try to pick up the different pieces that it says I need and keep going. Like it says I need number 1 and I need 2 of them. I need a number 3 and I need 4 of them. This may drive me a little crazy, but let's see. Okay, so where's my number 1? Well, this is my number. Okay, this is A, and I need 4 of them. It looks like this is 4. Okay, a number 2, I think these were numbered. So number 3. This is number 2. And it says I need 2 of them. You know what, let me stop recording and come back once I get these things organized. Okay, I got one together off camera that you can't see, but I needed a 1 piece. The number 2s are in my hand, I'm placing those, and the number 3 piece. I need 2 of those. Now the challenge in the beginning was I didn't realize I had to put both pieces on at the same time because there's one screw that's going to hold down 2 pieces. Like this one bolt, I'm saying screw, this one bolt is going to hold down the 1 and the 2 on the bottom end, and it's going to hold down the 2 and 3 in the middle. So yeah, it's a lot of tedious screwing, but I just try to screw it in with my hand, and then when I can, I just go in with the wrench and screw it in a little tight. I always think about if I'm going to really like something after how much effort goes into putting it together. So I love this green. I'm hoping that I enjoy this windmill. Because the efforts that go into things when you do it yourself, you tend to enjoy it more. I wish I could have made it like from wood, to have a windmill made from nice wood pieces, but I didn't take carpentry in school. So I hope high school still have those trades, because when I was coming through high school we did. We had wood shop. And then I'll get my husband to tighten it up when he joins me, because he'll have a tighter grip than me. Okay. Okay, here's the second piece. Okay. Carefully. Okay, I kind of got to lean up against all sorts of stuff to try to put these pieces together, since my husband's not out here to help me. You have to put the 1, the 2s, and the 3s on almost at the same time. because they all connect with the same bolt. And that has been the most difficult part because I'm trying to do this by myself. Some DIYs, do it yourselves, should be DIY2, do it yourself with DIYW2, do it yourself with 2 people. Because this is just one person, and this happened to be a square rectangular shaped object. It's been difficult. So I put the paint bucket there. This cabinet here, which I am going to use in our barn, is holding up one of the legs, and it hasn't been easy to do it this way. Now I got to take these bolts off and put on the 3 and the 5s. Oh. This 1 3 is already feels like it wants to pop off. Today's going to be a perfect day for me to finish sugar. This is windy. So here I'm adding the anchors so that the windmill just does not blow away. Although it's 8 feet tall and metal, it's not as heavy as it likely should be. And this is the best time for me to test it, because if you can look at the sky and see, there was a storm brewing. So I have to admit that the windmill is very nice. It's a cute decorative feature, and it stood its first storm.